She's all you'd ever want. She's the kind I'd like to flaunt and take to dinner. She's a lady. Oh, she's a lady. Talking about that little lady. And the lady is mine.
This sucks. Hey guys, today I'm doing something a little bit different. So recently online I have seen some people going around and doing the video of using every single eyeshadow in the palette. I saw Alyssa Ashley do this, I saw Jay Kissa do it. I'm gonna try to make this work and see if I can truly get a good looking eye makeup look out of one palette. And I wanted to challenge myself, not do something with like 6 colors or 8, but 28. And this is the Sephora Pro Editorial palette. And if you guys have not seen it, this is what we're working with here. I thought it would be fun because I love this palette so much. I've done a standalone review with this and ended up really loving it. The colors were so vibrant. The look I created was so beautiful. And I love this palette so much. Yet, because I'm on YouTube, I don't get a chance to use a lot of my old products all that much. It's just a lot of trying new things, new releases, digging my fingers into things, swatches, one eye makeup look, and then the palette goes away. So I want to pull out some old favorites and do some different style videos. And if you have this palette, hopefully this will inspire you to try some different eye looks. So before we get into the video, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. I put out new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You guys can also follow me on all my other social media stuff. So Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, everything is RawBeautyKristi. I've been snapping a lot more and Instagram stories, and you guys should just follow me everywhere. And I know all of you don't, so you know what? You might as well just do it. I'm currently full of Starbucks, so this is going to be an interesting video. And without further ado, let's try to put all of these colors on this face. I've clearly already done my brows and primed my eyelids with concealer, and I've got my brushes sitting here, and I'm just gonna go to town. I want it to be like super, well, I mean, honestly, to use 28 colors, I'm gonna have to go big. I want it to be like a halo eye, but a little bit different. So I don't know, I'm just gonna give it a try. I'm just gonna do it, and I'm just gonna quit talking about it, and I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna start off with this hot pink shade here, and then go into this red. These two look really similar when you put them on the eyes. Like this is the red here, and the hot pink is in the very inner corner, and this is the red. And as you can tell, they show up so similarly. All right, I'm gonna use my Veramona color switch. This is gonna be my little lifesaver in here. You swirl your brush around in it and it changes your color of your eyeshadow without having to wash your brush in between. Sometimes the brush looks stained, but it totally removes any remnants of eyeshadow so that you don't have anything left over, as you can see. So now I'm gonna go into this orange shade here, and then I'm gonna dip into this yellowy orange. We're going rainbow today, folks. We're going rainbow. Blend the edges of that one with a fluffier brush. Is there a color on that brush? Son of a bitch. Well, we're gonna try to fix that with a little bit of white here. Did it fix it? Did it make it worse? Time will tell. We're gonna go into this acid green color here now with this fluffier brush. Gonna bring that down. That color just kind of disappears, eh? I'm gonna go into this shade here now of this palette. Gonna run that into the green. I'm literally just taking the rainbow around my eye, and then we're gonna do some shimmery shite later. I don't know about this, guys. Thought I could do this. I really had faith for a minute here. I was like, I got this. And now I'm like, I don't know. I think this could turn out looking cool if I do it right, but I have some ideas. We're just gonna see how they pan out. So right now we're looking little bird of paradise-ish. So we use that. Now I'm gonna go into this guy here and then this blue shade here. And then I'm gonna go into these purple shades here mixed together. The inner portion, meeting up with that pink. This is gonna turn out good, guys. I'm determined. So now I'm gonna go in with dark purple here, and I'm going to put a little bit of like Fix Plus on my brush, and oh. All right, that's just gonna go there. This is hard. This is really hard because, well, for one, it looks totally nuts. But for two, you have to like pre-think ahead like what you're gonna do. So I think I'm gonna go in now with this shade here. No, this shade on the bottom, and I'm gonna top it with this guy here. Well, those colors most certainly do not go together. Ew, hideous. This shade here, this goldy yellowy shade. This is getting weird. I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking using this palette. What was I thinking? I kept thinking, challenge yourself, Kristi. And then now I'm like, why? Why would you challenge yourself so much? This eye is like watering. Oh, you're not, that won't do. That won't do today. No, you're gonna need to stop that right now. This is gonna work, guys. I swear to you, this is gonna come together so good. Oh my God, my eyes are watering so badly. Just gonna take a little bit of this color down here. I have a feeling my eyes are not gonna tolerate this right now. Stop watering. Stop. Either there's an ingredient in one of these shadows that I didn't use before that's bugging my eyes, or I don't know what it is, but my eyes are like burning. Plus, I look really good right now. Just like, no lie. This look is fire. I'm gonna take this one on my finger actually and just sort of pat it here. Finger's the way to do these shades for show. I'm gonna cut this area out anyway with some concealer, so this doesn't have to be perfect. This is just getting the colors on. Taking a little bit of this shade here and putting it over the top of this one. This is hideous, but you know what? At this point, like, we've already been going for it, so we're just gonna keep going for it. This has to be like top 2 worst looks I've ever done. Let's try to make this better. I'm gonna go with this shade here, this green. We're just using them all at this point. Like, this is gonna be avant-garde if there ever was avant-garde. Right in the center, just to lighten it up, because that dark inner corner does not look good. You know what? Let's be honest. Most of this doesn't look good. And my eyes are pouring water. This is bullshit, Carl. Okay, let's go and make this look 10 times more hideous than it already does. All right, so I did use the white already. I'm gonna go in with this shade here, which is like a pinky duochrome. And we're running that up by the brow. Because what we're doing right now is we have to use all these shades. So right now it's all about just putting them down and getting them out. Putting them down and getting them out. You know, ever heard of it? Boom. Now, red, orange. Well, that's close enough to orange. That's yellow. We're gonna dip into this bitch here. We're gonna go right next to that. Right up on that brow. Oh yeah, that looks beautiful. Just stunning. Just a masterpiece. I feel like I need alcohol whilst I do this. Okay, red, yellow, green, blue, green. Green duo cream. All right, let's see. Oh yeah. I knew you'd be the winner. I knew you were it the moment I saw you. Beautiful, stunning, visionary. Blue duochrome. Perfection. Let's toss that fucker right here. Oh my God. She is beauty, she is grace. She is Miss United States. All right, and now that we are sufficiently looking horrifying, we're gonna go through and what we're gonna do. I haven't used this blue yet, so let's dig into that shit show. All right, and let's just run that. Well, that's not doing anything. You know what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna do a concealer bit. Wow, this is so beautiful. I think that all other YouTubers should quit because I clearly am the only one needed. Okay, so I saw Rocio do a heart cut thing. So we're gonna just, you know what? Stunning. This is just fucking beautiful. My eyes aren't burning at all. Looks like a butt crack on my eyes. Doesn't look like a heart at all. Okay. The talent that I possess is unlike anybody's talent. My eyes hurt so bad. I mean, everyone else should just quit YouTube right now. What am I doing with my life? What the fuck? See this watery little bitch over here? I do. I feel it. I feel it in my heart. And so now that my eyes look like buttholes, we are going to spray a brush with this hoe over here. And we're going to put it all over the heart or the butt crack. One of the two. I don't know. We're going to do, I don't know. All right, this better look pretty or I quit. Stunning. You know, Kim, Kardashian, if you were looking for a new makeup artist, just saying, I think I've got what it takes. Well, this eye is pouring down my face. I truly can say, from the beginning of my career, the Face Awards, Halloween, Guy Fieri, this has got to be my most detail-oriented look. Well, you know what? I'm just going to use you real quick somewhere so that you can just fuck out of here. Oh, wow. This is starting to look really pretty. I am not going to put this on YouTube. I mean, this can't go up on the internet. This can't live somewhere on the internet. Swear to God, you guys, I know how to do makeup. This looks like a drunk makeup challenge. Oh my God. My eyes are pouring. They hurt. I'm going to dip into this fucker down here. My eyes are burning so bad. I can't do this anymore. Do you think I made it? Okay, let's just put the other shades on my eyes so I can say I did it. Let's mix this guy, and I think that's the end. Ow! My eyes do not like. Because my eyes are pissed. And this is what it looks like when you put 28 eyeshadows on. Haphazardly. It hurts. My eyes are burning so bad. I don't know if it's like the mixture of all these pigments, if maybe I'm sensitive to some. I don't know if my eyes are turning red at all, but damn it, they feel red. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just the sheer amount of eyeshadows and the amount of times I've been touching my eyes tonight. But this was a fail, and I didn't expect it to be a fail. I really thought that I'd be able to whip out this palette, prove everyone wrong. I thought I'd be like, you guys all use 12 shadows. I'm gonna show you up and use 28. And my eyes were like, oh, no, you're not, actually. What you're not gonna do is do any of that. You're gonna put a bunch of eyeshadows on your eyes, look like a total fool, and cry for the rest of the evening. BRB, people are fighting on my Instagram. Ugh. So I think I'm gonna try this video again one day with a reasonable palette. Maybe, I don't know, any other palette. I think that everyone else was smart to use a palette with 12 shades in it. 28 is a bit overkill, and I think that the state of my eyes currently shows that. I'm gonna flash a couple pictures up here on the screen just to show you what I'm capable of. Because I think if you were new and you came into this video and you didn't know me, you'd think, bitch, you can't do makeup. And you know what? I can, and I will. Today I cannot. It's as if I've never done makeup in my life. When I've got like 5 colors, I feel like I can bust out a smoky eye. 28, I look like a really sick clown. Obviously I have butts on my eyes. Like, these are not hearts, these are butts. Let's just show you what Rocio can do. That's kind of what I was going for, and I think we achieved it today. Rocio, sorry, but I win. All right, well, this was a video. I don't even really know the point of this, but you know what? Sometimes it's fun just to put up fails and move along. So, okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching. I wish I could have come out with a really good eye look for you. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you at my next video. Goodbye. Bye!